So, Astra just released their fourth quarter and full year 2021 financial results. I'll aim in this video to quickly go over the highlights which were provided on the Astra Investor Relations website. This will be linked in the description. I'd advise that you have a read of this yourself and also listen to the full earnings call after watching this video. Without further ado, we'll go into the business highlights, beginning with highlights from the more recent first quarter of 2022. Astra has successfully deployed 22 satellites on the 15th of March 2022, which marks the first successful deployment of satellites by Astra into Earth orbit, a huge breakthrough for the company. On a more unfortunate note, Astra unfortunately failed a first launch out of Florida on the 10th of February 2022. It was unsuccessful due to an anomaly which prevented the deployment of the payload. Moving on to Quarter 4 2021 highlights, Astra conducted a successful test flight on the 20th of November 2021 for the United States Space Force. Astra was also awarded an important NASA rideshare contract along with other companies, which marks a $300 million opportunity over 5 years. Astra redeemed all public and private warrants in connection with their SPAC merger, which led to 3.8 million new shares. Astra ended Quarter 4 2021 with $325 million in cash and equivalents on hand, compared to $378.7 million as of September 30th, 2021. Finally, Astra's backlog increased to $160 million during the full year 2021. In terms of financials, Astra reported an adjusted EBITDA loss of $36.1 million compared to a projected EBITDA loss of between $40 and $44 million as set out when Quarter 3 financials were reported. Astra's Quarter 4 capital expenditures sit in the higher end of Quarter 3 forecasts, with reported capital expenditures of $19.6 million compared to an expected range of between $15 and $20 million. Astra also reported a Quarter 4 2021 GAAP net loss of $51.3 million and an adjusted net loss of $37.5 million. Astra also provided details on their outlook into the first quarter of 2022, which were of course subject to many assumptions and uncertainties. These were as follows: an adjusted EBITDA loss of between $44 and $48 million, depreciation and amortization between $1.9 million and $2 million, stock-based compensation between $20 million and $25 million, cash taxes of approximately zero, between 263 and 265 million outstanding basic shares, and capital expenditures between $10 and $15 million. Let me know what you guys think of Astra's outlook into the future, as well as these Quarter 4 2021 highlights. Redwire Space, another public space company, are also releasing some long-awaited financials this evening, with a vital update on their Quarter 3 delayed report. I'll be covering this news in a later video, so make sure to subscribe to be notified of this. Thanks for watching.